Bleach might seem like a quick fix for a slow tub drain, but it's actually not the best move for unclogging and can cause real issues if you mix it with other products. So here's the deal. If your tub drain is still slow after pouring bleach down a month ago, that bleach has mostly done its job or evaporated, so it's safe now to try a real drain cleaner. But avoid mixing chemicals, okay? The best way to clear that clog without risking toxic fumes is to grab a hand auger or drain snake from your local hardware store and physically pull out hair and gunk. If you don't have one, you can try the classic baking soda and vinegar method again. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, then half a cup of vinegar, cover it for 15 minutes, and rinse with hot water. Also, using a plunger specifically designed for drains can help shift blockages. Don't forget to remove any visible hair from the drain cover or stopper regularly to prevent future clogs. If you want, plastic drain zippers are a neat tool to catch hair before it goes down the drain. Hot water flushes after cleaning are great to help keep things moving smoothly. And seriously, avoid mixing bleach and commercial drain cleaners. They can create dangerous fumes. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with slow drains is using bleach thinking it'll clear the clog. That's a myth and can damage pipes or mix dangerously with other cleaners. Another common problem is not removing the drain stopper to get at the clog directly. That plug often hides tons of hair and grime that needs manual clearing. Lastly, relying solely on chemical cleaners without any physical effort usually means the clog returns quickly because those cleaners don't remove the actual buildup, so using a hand auger or snake is key. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot if you're looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff for any home repair or improvement project. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's an easy way to get connected with homeowners who need your skills and want reliable service.